12:24 on the dot. 12:24 in the noontime. And for those who are like having lunch right about now, hey, happy celebration of your lunch. And guys, don't forget ha, malapit nang matapos yung deadline. Malapit na mag-deadline, I mean, yung tax filing. Alam nyo naman ang April, tax filing season. Hanggang April 15 na lang ha. And don't forget, we have the Tax Assistance Center of the RDO 19, Regional District Office 19 of the BIR, Subic Bay Freeport Zone at Ayala Mall, Harbor Point. Meron tayong Tax Assistance Center para madali yung pagbabayad nyo. Tapos air condition ba yun? No? Part of the ease of payment law. Di ba? And the create law din. Oo. There's also people posted there to give you assistance. Sabi nga nung RDO 19 when they were here at the radio station, nung nag-program tayo, bali sabi nila, may mga naka-post din doon na personnel to that you can ask. Diba? Kung may katanungan kayo about filing, about the ease of payment law, the create law, or whatever BIR-related questions you have in mind, feel free to do so. Tanungin nyo lang doon sa TAC, as they call it, the Tax Assistance Center at the Harbor Point, Ayala Mall. How awesome is that, huh? We have people there to assist you. Okay, and also latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport, the SBMA Tourism Department led by Manager Mary Jamel Camba and the SBMA Seaport Department OIC Michael Philip Lazaro flew to Miami, Florida. Uy, wow, Miami. Alam nyo ba na napag-usapan nga namin during the tourism hour, Miami ang may pinakamasarap na pagkain sa buong mundo. Kaya nga tinawag na Miami dahil yung pagkain dyan, Miami. Naisingit lang. They went there to attend the world's largest cruise ship event, that is, April 8 to 11, to promote Subic Bay as Asia's next cruise ship playground. With about 10,000 conference attendees and 200 exhibitors from all over the globe, the SBMA officials met with industry leaders, international companies, and like-minded professionals to showcase the capacity of Subic Bay to be a top player in the trade. And time and again, we've already proven that actually nga, di ba? Ilang cruise ship na yung nagdaong dito sa atin, yung nagdock dito sa Subic Bay Freeport. And testament to that are those huge cruise ships. Yours truly was there to serve as well as tour guide. And I can proudly say, yung mga tourist na inikot natin sa Subic Bay Freeport, nako, gustong-gusto. Highly satisfied, tuwan-tuwa. Nako, ang saya-saya. Okay, so, and of course, with events like this, na inatinan nga ng ating dear SBMA Tourism Department Manager and Seaport Department OIC, ma-enhance pa natin lalo, 'di ba, on how we can serve them better yung ating mga tourists here that's alighting the huge cruise ships na dumadaong dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, 'di ba? Okay, so there you have it. One of the latest piece of news for today, the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority attended the recently concluded Sea Trade Cruise Global 2024. Ba't may echo? Okay. Sana may pasalubong ako kay Ma'am Jem. Na galing sa Miami. Kahit hindi something na Miami, o pagkain pag Miami, baka masira na pagdating dito. All right, and time once again for a couple of invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ayan, okay. The SM 3-day sale will be happening at SM City Olongapo Central, April 19, 20, and 21. Shop and get the chance to win a brand new Suzuki Desire car. Wow, okay. So catch it April 19, 20, and 21 from 10 in the morning till 9 p.m. The 3-day sale at SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? Sa Central ha, baka maligaw kayo, baka sa downtown kayo pumunta. Pero if you wanna shop at downtown, pwede naman, wala namang problema. Okay? And ongoing right now is the Our Home 0% installment for up to 24 months. Yan. Our Home is located at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Yung mga gustong bumili ng furnitures, no? The next furniture you want for your home, baka nandiyan lang, naghihintay sa'yo. Start styling your home today because we are making payments lighter and easier with the Our Home 12 and 24 months at 0% interest with major credit cards. Of course, terms and conditions apply. Okay? So visit Our Home now, third level of SM City Olongapo Central. And also don't forget this coming April 13, Saturday at 4 p.m., the Swifties Era Fan Fest is going to be happening at SM Central. Okay? Ground level. April 13, this Saturday na, 4 p.m. So see you there. Yung mga big fans ni Taylor Swift, you will get to dress like Taylor and sing like Taylor. Okay? SM Appliance Center is having the summer instant papremyo up until April 30. So go there, visit the SM Appliance store, and avail of the summer instant papremyo. Okay? Also ongoing is the Kabalen free buffet for every 4 paying customers. The 5th one is gonna be free. Magdala ka kung ikaw yung magdadala ng 4 customers. Your buffet is for free. Okay? Just don't forget your SM Advantage card, your SMAC with you. Okay? And next up we have this promo from CBTL, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf inside the SM store, second level of SM Central. Free drink upsize from Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. This is up until December 31, aka the entire year. Dahil hanggang katapusan ng 2024, no? Okay? Also, if you're having events, birthdays, concerts, whatever, SMX Convention Center can hold up to thousands of attendees for you. It's at the 4th level of SM Central. And also at the 4th level, at the food court, is Himay Himay's Sulitin ang Kain with Himay Himay Filipino Foods. All right? So visit the food court now. Also, the Shaky Supercars promo is still ongoing. One more brand new BMW to go for the month of April. Visit Shakey's at the ground level of SM Central. And bring your kids to Ambika. Ambika Kids Fun Box and Baby Play. Okay, they are located at the 3rd level of SM City Olongapo Central. Bukas na po ang Ambika and Baby Play. Here's our next Cool Friday Rewind song now. Music coming from REO Speedwagon. This one's called Can't Fight This Feeling, 895 Subic Bay Radio.
0.5. I got